Hi there, I'm Paris Christou from Toonboxstudio.com. I'm the instructor of this course on how to create digital comic strips 2.0. Comic strips are like bite-sized little stories with pictures and dialogue, perfect for a quick laugh or a bit of entertainment to brighten up your day. Now, whether you're laughing at a witty little punchline or just getting lost in a dramatic scene, comic strips always have that way of capturing our hearts. In this 6-hour course, we'll kick things off by breaking down your characters into simple, primitive shapes to gain speed, which makes the characters a breeze to sketch. Plus, I will spill the beans on how to build a strong library of poses to keep your characters looking fresh and lively to use as an easy reference. But wait, there's more. With a treasure trove of tips and tricks at your disposal, we'll navigate the twists and turns of comic creation with ease. Say goodbye to creative mind blocks and say hello to a world of generating endless comic ideas and possibilities. No previous experience is necessary. To take this course, you just need a drawing tablet and a digital painting software of your choice. I demonstrate this course with Autodesk Sketchbook Pro, but you can follow along with any digital painting software that you prefer. By the end of this course, you'll be armed with the skill to turn any concept into a fully fledged comic strip that you will be proud of. I will show you how to get to the finish line in no time, thanks to my easy to follow instructions and practical demonstrations. And here's the icing on the cake. As a special bonus, you'll receive an ebook featuring all the comic strips I've created in this course, plus more, along with panel templates to kickstart your own creations, access to the library of poses demonstrated throughout this whole course, and oh, did I mention you'll also get 4 high-resolution, fully rendered pieces of artwork by yours truly? Yep. Comic strips are a blast, and I can't wait to share the joy of creating them with you. Enroll today, and let's get started on this comic strip adventure together, and let the madness begin. I'm Paris Christou from Toonboxstudio.com, and I can't wait to see you inside the course. See you there.